Weekly healthy lunch, Tuesday. Vegetable soup with chicken and brown rice. There are several advantages to eating chicken vegetable soup with brown rice for lunch. Complete nutrition. Chicken and brown rice vegetable soup provides lean protein from the chicken and a combination of complex carbohydrates and fiber from the brown rice, plus vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. Low calorie. Chicken and brown rice vegetable soup is a low-calorie and low-fat option, making it a healthy option for those who want to watch their calorie intake. Improves digestion. The soup is easy to digest and helps maintain good digestive health. High in fiber. The combination of vegetables and brown rice in the soup provides a high amount of fiber, which helps keep you feeling full longer and controls your appetite. Easy to make. Chicken and brown rice vegetable soup is easy to make and can be a quick and healthy option for lunch. Suitable for a healthier diet. Vegetable soup with chicken and brown rice is a suitable option for those looking for a healthier and more balanced diet. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.